How to install APK files on Android. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to install an APK file on Android, in today's video we'll be guiding you to the process in order to do so. So let's just get started. So before you start, in order to install it, what we need to do is we need to download it from a trusted source. Since most of the Android devices don't allow us that, so we need to give the permission for that. So we can head over to our settings and open it up. And once you open it up, you can just scroll down and go ahead and find the section for apps and then go ahead and open it up. Once you open up the apps settings available, look out for the three dot in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. And once you tap on it, give this option for tap on this option called special access and select it. Once you select it here, you'll be finding different options. You need to scroll down and select the option for install unknown applications and tap on it. Once you do so, you need to go ahead and give permissions. For example, apart from Play Store, if you're downloading the APK file, you need to go ahead and enable the unknown sources download. So if it is from Chrome, you need to find Chrome and enable the toggle option right beside it by tapping on it. Once you do so, you can just head over and find the APK file from your folder. You can go to My Files and then go ahead and tap on APK Files. Once you find here, you can just go ahead and tap on the file that you would like to install and confirm the installation like you would normally do. And once the process is finished, you will be seeing a confirmation message and you can just go ahead and open to launch the app or find the app in your screen and you can access it up. So it is pretty easy. You may follow up this process if you'd like to install the APK files on Android without any issue. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.